Wow! Wow!
Ay, ganda.
Ganda! Hi! Nanak na pala.
This is 93.3 FM. I don't know about you, but this time of year, every time I get close to this microphone, boom, I get zapped by static electricity. Is that you? Do you have so much that constantly getting shocked and you're afraid to even touch the doorknob? If so, here's what to do, courtesy of Health Magazine, because we study everything. First, you should know that cold, dry, winter air can make touching a doorknob feel like you've been electrocuted. You see, when the air is humid, water molecules can collect on the surface of various materials, preventing the buildup of electrical charges, right? When the air is dry, the humidity
Sa gabi, meron sa
lights din.
2 million lights daw tawag na doon happening.
Maganda doon.
Punta tayo doon. Gano'y natin. Oh, next year pa tayo makapunta.
Sure to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water.
Wow! Victorian Village.
And if you have a rug that's particularly static heavy, try misting it with a solution of 1 teaspoon liquid fabric softener
pwede mo
and 1
pa-picture?
cup of water. Also,
Hindi makukuha yan sa ano.
you want to choose natural fabrics like cotton or wool to give off less of a charge than synthetics. Replace your rubber bottom.
Wait, malaki.
Uy, ang ganda nun, yun yung bahay.
Saan? Ay, oo.
Kita mo ba? Mahal magpabalik. Dito rin pa kaya.
One way na ito lahat. Babalik mo.
Talaga? Tingnan mo.
Wow!
Ayan o.
Keep us tuned in as you welcome friends and family in
Ganda.
for parties. Your official Christmas music station.
Ano na picture?
ensures its windows right
Ganda naman.
Galing.
windows.
When our customers count on
Uy, tingnan mo yung flame. Gumagalaw. Sa left.
and the effort that our people
Yung kandila.
once you've seen it,
Sarado ko nga to.
Wait, kunan mo ng picture.
7740
Video, naka-video tayo.
Yun na, yung patay.
Picture ka rin.
200 Roberts.
Wow! Parang tayong ano, yung Santa
Sa
Cruz.
gala.
Kawaii, Miss Universe.
Are buying gifts at the Home Depot. Number 3, the tools my husband wants. Number 2, a flashlight my
Ano
son
lang yung
needs.
parang
And
spark
number
lights.
1,
Uy, tingnan mo, wala tayong gas, oh.
everyone on my list.
Pwede pa yan, no?
Oo.
Right now, the Home Depot has a Ryobi 9.6 volt drill kit.
Medyo exciting ba?
set in case for
Kahit spark light.